equity. We need to ensure that every student of every background is afforded an equitable education, the ability to graduate, be prepared for college, or be career ready to be a productive citizen in the city of Dublin. Based on the California Equity Performance and Improvement Program, the 3 areas I would focus on are the following. The first is focusing on meeting the students' basic needs. If we cannot meet the students' basic needs, they cannot learn. We need to assess our students' needs based on the current distant learning model and see what new gaps have arisen and how we can address them. Most importantly, we need to hone in on the increasing disparity gap of students that are special ed, individualized educational plan students, which is also referred to as an IEP, our English language learners, and anyone who is underperforming or in a disadvantaged group. For example, currently, I am working on an initiative with the Asian Pacific Islander American Public Affairs Group, also known as the APAPA Tri-Valley Chapter, and Junior Coach Student Group, to bring tutoring services to the underperforming and disadvantaged groups as the academic performance disparity gap has been widening throughout the pandemic. This effort will also be a program that will bridge cultures and build community relationships. During the pandemic, the virtual platform will be ideal and will help all students be able to participate. I will champion other such innovative approaches as well. So the third area is to act with cultural competence and responsiveness in interactions, decision-making, and practice. So racially, culturally, and linguistically, diverse students and families experience school differently. We should be asking ourselves, how are we incorporating this diversity into our planning approach for distant learning and engagement? In this arena, I would advocate for the Family Engagement Toolkit that is a part of the California Department of Education, which focuses on continuous improvement through an equity lens. And this would help us learn how to better engage with each and every student's family to understand how best to support their child. Along those lines, I would even challenge us to consider why every student doesn't have an IEP, also known as an individual educational plan. I mean, every student is a unique learner. If we started viewing each and every child as a unique learner, we could move towards a more inclusive educational environment for all children.